Dive into the fun. Understanding evening pool parties. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's all about fun, relaxation, and socializing. Evening pool parties. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about cultural practices, this video will help you understand what evening pool parties are and why they're such a popular way to gather with friends. So, grab your swimming gear, and let's jump right in. Evening pool parties are social gatherings held around a swimming pool during the evening or night hours. These events combine the refreshing fun of swimming with the joy of meeting friends, enjoying music, and often, eating and drinking together. They are particularly popular in warm climates where the cool water offers a pleasant escape from the day's heat, even after the sun goes down. 1. Timing. Unlike daytime pool parties, these events start in the late afternoon or early evening and can last into the night. The unique aspect is the atmosphere created by the setting sun and, later, the moon and stars overhead. 2. Lighting and decoration. To enhance the mood, pools are often lit with underwater lights, and the surrounding area might be adorned with lanterns, fairy lights, or candles. This creates a magical and inviting environment. 3. Music and entertainment. Good music sets the vibe for the evening. Whether it's a live DJ or a carefully curated playlist, music is essential for setting the mood. Some parties may also include games, performances, or other forms of entertainment. 4. Food and drinks. Refreshing beverages and snacks are typically available to keep guests hydrated and happy. Barbecue, finger foods, and cocktails are common, allowing guests to eat and drink while mingling. 5. Dress code. The attire can range from casual swimwear to more elegant or themed outfits, depending on the occasion and host's preference. Evening pool parties offer a unique blend of relaxation and socialization. They are an excellent way to meet new people, enjoy conversations with friends, and take a break from the routine of daily life. The casual, open-air setting encourages a laid-back atmosphere where guests can truly unwind and enjoy themselves. We hope this dive into the world of evening pool parties has been enlightening and enjoyable. Whether you're attending one or planning to host your own, remember that the essence of these gatherings is to have fun, relax, and create memorable experiences. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay curious, and keep learning.